The Cyclops lead 6-0 here in the first quarter against the visiting T-Rex. The T-Rex have the ball on their own 26-yard line. The quarterback McGrady lines up in the shotgun with split backs McSwain and Smith, wide receiver Libinson out to the right, and Williams to the left. McGrady takes the snap. Collins is bringing pressure up the middle. He lays a monster hit on McGrady for a 12-yard loss. The Cyclops player of the game is Chris Craver. Craver records 4 receptions on the afternoon for 163 yards and 2 touchdowns.
Touchdown, Cyclops.